We are really working our brains this week. So we're still working on Unit 4, Lesson 5, page 173. And y'all, this is my favorite method. This is the method that your parents probably know. It's the one where if you ask for help, they're going to teach you this. We are going to call it the ungroup first method. Your parents will call it borrowing, most likely, because when I was a kid, they called it borrowing. And so this is just basically that. I'm not going to explain why it was called borrowing. We're going to call it ungroup first. So Unit 4, Lesson 5, page 173. I'm going to work in my spiral today because I have more space as always. Oh my goodness, we've got a lot of stuff coming up that's going to be awesome. All right, so we've got 142, and I'm writing it nice and big so I can keep track. Oh, no, it's not 142, sorry. It's just 42. Got a little carried away there. Minus 19. All right, I'm writing mine nice and big because it's easier for me to do the work of that. Now I'm also going to draw it. This says, show your work numerically and with a proof drawing. That means write the numbers and draw the picture that goes with it. I'm expecting both things from you as well. So 42 is 4 tens and 2 ones. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and take, you see this magnifying glass? We're gonna go ahead and we are going to take a magnifying glass and we are going to focus in on this part right here. Because if we have 2, can I take 9 of it? No, I can't. I only have 2. I don't have 9. So we're looking at this and we're seeing right away, we can't subtract that. So we are going to have to grab a 10 from that 4. Just like what we did yesterday when we broke apart that 10, we're gonna do the same thing here. I'm just gonna show you how to note it here. So let's go ahead first of all in our picture and break apart that 10. So X went out and then draw 10 ones. Now that we have the 10s here, we have gotten rid of one of those 10s. It's no longer existing as a 10, it's now ones. So we have to X out our 4 because we don't have 4 10s now, we have 3 10s. And we're going to write a 3 above that 4, okay? Here, we don't have 2 10s anymore. We added 10 to that because we have 12 10s now. We couldn't take 9 away from 2. We needed to have some more ones to work with. So now we have 3 10s and 12 ones here. Can we subtract 9 from 12? Yes, we certainly can. So let's go ahead and circle 9 ones and cross those out. We also have 1 10 chilling down here that we need to X out. Right there. So this is going to be our answer. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So our answer here should be the same as our answer there. So now 12 minus 9. 12, 11, 10, 9. That's 3. And 3, take away 1 is 2. Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. Okay, so hopefully you can see that connection. Our ungrouping is happening over here and over here, and we're doing it all at once before we do any subtracting. Let's go ahead and do number 5. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at all this work we've already done this year. I had no idea we were already at the end of my book. Let me use my black pen so it's easier to see. Get my yellow pen ready. And let's go ahead and do 75 minus 46. Uh-oh, you guys. Do you see what I see? If we have 5 of something, can we take 6 out of it? No, we cannot. So we're going to have to do some ungrouping again. What's the first thing I'm going to do? Thank you. We're going to draw a picture. Okay, I have 7 10s and 5 1s. What's next? Perfect. We can't take 6 1s out of here, so we're going to have to break apart one of these 10s by Xing it out and making 10 1s over here. Okay. Then we need to change the number too, don't we? Yes. How many 10s do we have right here? Perfect. We're going to X out that 7 and write 6 right above it. How many 1s do we have here now? Thank you. We have 15 of those 1s. 15 minus 6 and 6 minus 4. That looks the same over here. All right, so now we need to subtract our 6 1s. I'm going to go ahead and put a circle around those. X amount. And how many 10s will we subtract? Thank you. 4. Okay, we've done everything we need to do to our picture. We have one last job to do with our picture. What is it? Yep, we're gonna count it up. Go ahead and type the total into the chat when you think you have the right answer. All right, I saw a lot of people write 29. Usually that's a good sign when people all write the same answer in the chat. Okay, so 15 minus 6. 9. 6 10 minus 4 tenths. Oh, look at that. It equals. We got it right. Okay, now it's time for questions and for you to try. If you did all of your work in your spiral, I need to see a picture of your spiral. If you did all your work on here, I need to see it on here. But I want all 3 of those equations. We're going to do that right now in class. So I'm here for you if you have questions, and I'm sure some of you do.